Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to utilize the powerful developer tools in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC. Step 2. Look up to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 little dots. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find the More Tools option. Click on it to open up a secondary menu with additional tools. Step 4. From the secondary menu, select Developer Tools. This will open a panel within Chrome dedicated to web development and debugging. And voila! You've successfully accessed the developer tools in Chrome on your PC. These tools offer a range of features for web developers, allowing you to inspect and modify web pages, analyze network traffic, and much more. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with the developer tools in Chrome.